Sometimes we make mistakes, and that's okay. What really matters is how we react. If you accidentally hurt someone or do something wrong, saying "I'm sorry" is the polite thing to do. Saying sorry shows that you care about how the other person feels. Let's practice saying sorry when we need to.
Saying hello is a nice way to be kind. When you see someone, smile and say hi. It makes everyone feel good. A friendly hello helps us make new friends and makes our day better. So let's remember to smile and say hello whenever we can.
Hi, friends! Do you know the magic words? Yes, they are please, thank you, and excuse me. These words are very important because they help us be kind to each other. When you say please, you're asking nicely. And when you say thank you, it shows that you are happy for what someone did. Let's remember to use our magic words every day. Listening is an important way to be polite. When a friend or teacher is talking, it's important to pay attention. Instead of interrupting, wait until it's your turn to talk. This shows you care about what they are saying. Let's try to listen closely.
Hi, friends! Today we're talking about sharing. Sharing is a nice thing to do, and it helps everyone have fun. When you share your toys, everyone gets to enjoy them. Sharing helps us make friends and shows we care about others. So let's remember to share with our friends so we can all have a great time together. If you like this idea, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun lessons on being nice.